you're not being back in this situation again,
So
is figuring out why you did it.
No work, just I really honestly feel like there was just a monster inside of me. I was drunk too. Bless you.
Yes,
You said I do not have permission to be in contact with her.
no,
It's dead forever.
you'll have to speak to your attorney in regards to that.
This one honestly made my stomach turn. We're talking about a teen who hurt his own mother and then tried to excuse it by saying he was drunk. That's not an excuse, ever. Alcohol doesn't give anyone a free pass to be violent, especially toward their own parent. You can see the judge is already over the excuses, and rightfully so. This isn't just irresponsible, it's scary. What do you guys think? Should being drunk ever lessen responsibility? Or is it just another way people try to dodge it?
All right, are the parties ready on Dylan Jacob Skinner? Hello, how are you doing?
Good.
All right, that's good. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 011052, State of Texas versus Dylan Jacob Skinner. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brian Kimbrough for Mr. Skinner.
And are you Mr. Skinner?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What happened to your face?
Felt good yesterday. The weather was good, so I decided to play basketball. I
Mhm.
got elbowed in the lip. So,
I'm sorry to hear about that. I hope somebody called a foul.
I did.
Okay. All right. So we're here for sentencing,
Correct.
and both parties requested that this be reset so that perhaps your client could prepare a letter, because I think he wanted
I
to.
already have it.
All right. Thank you. And then there was going to be a victim impact. Is that
Correct.
correct? All right. So you entered a plea previously on February 18th of no contest. The court found that there was sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court found you guilty. Are parties ready to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client with regards to sentencing?
I would state that Mr. Skinner is very remorseful for this incident.
Mhm.
I've talked to him about it. He would like to make a statement, and I would like to call him as a witness, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record, please.
Dylan Jacob Skinner.
All right, defense.
Thank you. Dylan, could you make your statement and speak into the microphone and very loud?
I apologize to the court, to my family. I never thought I'd go to for all the things that I've done that I'd probably go to prison for. I never thought it'd be for something like this. And I feel terrible. I'm gonna live every day in that jail cell, prison cell, getting eat up by the fact that I did something messed up. I decided to go to PDC for it. And I love my mom. I never wanted to do that. I apologize.
All right. Anything else, defense?
Nothing.
Anything from the state? All right, so I have a question. So why did you do this? Because part of you're not being back in this situation again is figuring out why you did it.
No work, just I really honestly feel like there was just a monster inside of me. I was drunk too. And all the pent-up anger, 'cause I'm really not a violent person.
All right, what were you angry about?
Just not having a job, struggling, living with my mom, 25 years old, just getting out of jail a month prior, struggling too, on top of that, just really just financial struggles. And I feel like there's a little bit more that I can't really touch on with words, but the fact that I did that for something that small, I feel like I deserve to do some time.
Okay. Well, I appreciate the fact that you've had a chance to think about what you've done. I don't know why it is. Usually the people who try to help us are the people that we end up hurting the most, right? So you should have been looking at the idea that your mom, even though you're 25 years old, your mom is giving you a place to stay.
That's the thing. I was in that for 5 months, 6 months in Bear County, just thinking, wow, I really took all that for granted. Just
Mhm.
for 3 to 5 minutes, I messed up my whole relationship with my family
Mm-hmm.
over something small and selfish, very selfish.
All right.
So I apologize to the court and I apologize to my mother,
Okay.
and I love her.
Okay.
He keeps claiming he's remorseful, but I'm not buying it for a second. This doesn't look like guilt. It looks like regret for getting caught. You can see it on his face. He's performing remorse, not feeling it. The courtroom turns into a stage at this point, and judges can spot fake apologies instantly. Alcohol isn't some magic excuse either. It doesn't create violence. It exposes what's already there. You don't accidentally put your hands on your own mother. And legally, voluntary intoxication almost never excuses anything. You chose to drink, so you own what follows. At the end of the day, he doesn't sound sorry for what he did, just sorry he's standing in front of a judge instead of going home.
All right. Anything else before the court entered sentence?
No, Your Honor.
All right. The court will follow your agreement. The court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Dusty, Dusty Skinner. Take in consideration 2024 CC 739463. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. There's to be therapeutic community. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just a moment. I'm going to wait till they finish here on the side.
Judge, I'm not talking to you.
Okay,
No, I'm ignoring them.
thank you.
Just waiting for you to finish, Judge.
All right. All right, did you sign it?
Yeah.
Mr. Skinner?
Yes, ma'am, I signed it.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Bless you.
yes,
You said I do not have permission to be in contact with her.
no.
Is that forever?
You'll have to speak to your attorney in regards to that. And what I will tell you, the no contact was a part of your agreement with the state.
Of course.
At some point in time, maybe your mom will want to have contact with you. If she does, and you all can work on your relationship through that, then we'll see. Okay?
Okay.
All right, any other questions? All right, we can go off the record. With regards to the therapeutic community, I have no jurisdiction over that, over the prison. I can't force them to put you in that program, but it'll be in the judgment that I want you to be considered for the therapeutic community. You'll have to ask for it as well. You understand? All right. And here's my other advice. I have no problem with tattoos, but no more face tattoos, okay? Because people will see you, they see the face tattoos and they
You'd
think
be
some sort of way.
distracted too, probably.
Yes. All right. All right. So my understanding, there's a victim impact. All
Mr.
right.
Skinner, over here. Put your back against the counter.
Give you life and you tried to take mine, and I will never be able to have the question of why I answered. You're so selfish. Your dad read me letters that you wrote to him, and you never once asked about me if I was okay after what you did. You said that you love everyone, but you tried to leave your brother and your sister without me. After you did this to me, I found out that I'm not the only one who hurt, and it makes it a little less difficult to say that I will never forgive you for the things you've done. And you destroyed your relationship with your entire family, and I hope that weight sinks in as I read this. The physical wounds that I have from what you did, the broken eye socket that required surgery, and the damage you did to my ear that took 2 procedures to fix, the severe concussion that affects my memory, and the chronic pain that I have in my neck now, that's healing, but the emotional damage is going to take a long time, and not just for me. Despite everything, my heart aches because I am your mom, been a struggle. I hope one day you understand the gravity of what you've done. In your heart, and not just in the words that you so easily say all the time. You can make everything right. I hope whatever path you take, I can take it to someone other than a monster out there you have.
Thank you.
I'll be real. Everyone has struggles, but that doesn't make you special. Life being hard is not an excuse, especially not for putting your hands on your own mother. That's next level messed up. You can tell the difference between real remorse and a performance, and this dude is absolutely performing guilt, not living it. When someone gives you a roof, food, and love, and you repay that with violence, it says everything about your character. Honestly, for years doesn't feel like enough. Family violence hits different, and that damage doesn't just disappear. I don't see this guy changing anytime soon, and if I were the judge, I'd keep him far away from his mom until he proved otherwise. Some actions go too far for a quick redemption story. What do you guys think? Does he even deserve another chance?